All our cows are going for grazing now. That's Andal. Haribol. Andalo. Vishaka. That's the place they go for grazing. Whole day they are outside. And they are good fun. ఏంటమ్మా అండాలు పోవట్లేదేంటి? చలో 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 తట్టుకున్నా దాని కాలు కింద తట్టుకున్నా. అగ్గ కాలు తట్టుకున్నందుకు రావట్లేదు. చలో 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 నెక్స్ట్. హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే హరే, హరే రామ 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 హరే హరే. అరే దాని కాలు కింద ఒకదాని కాలు కింద ఒకటి తట్టుకుంటున్నది. దామా యశోదా ఇదా దాని కాలు కింద తట్టుకున్నది తాడు. అన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి. సో cows are healthy when they go out for grazing. They shouldn't be tied too much. They like to eat what they like to eat. For example, neem, if they eat neem every week according to their wish, there will never be a need for a doctor. Yeah, here you go. Akuti, Hare Krishna. Chalo chalo Akuti, nadavali Akuti. Agga. See how weak she is. Ganga, Yamuna, Surabhi. Oi Surabhi. Akuti, Devaki, Subhadra, Chitra, Sunidhi, Devahuti, Lalita, Yashoda, Meera వెనకాల పోతున్నది. మీరా, బృందా. ఓయ్ చలో 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 నడవాలి. అది ఒక కాలు ఒక తాడు ఒక్కొక్క దాని కాళ్ళ కింద పడుతుంది. అది ప్రాబ్లం. పీకేసేయండి తాళ్ళు. దామా దా 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 దా. హరే కృష్ణ హరే హరే, హరే రామ్ రామ్ హరే హరే. విశాఖ అన్నీ పోయినాయి. అగ్గ ఎంత దూరం పోతున్నాయి చూడండి అన్నీగా. Lord Krishna is to take the cows like this every day for pastures. Perfection of life is when we can take the cows for pastures. Because that is what we have to do, right? Once my Guru Maharaj was saying, you want to go back to Goloka? Well, you don't have computers there. You have to take care of cows. So the training is to take care of cows. Even I wish to learn taking them one day. So all the cows are gone excepting Tulasi and Mr. Bhadra. So today Tulasi is actually ready for mating. So that is why we have left Bhadra with her. So they both will procreate. Always remember that cows don't do it for sense gratification. Because the moment the mating happens, then Tulasi will not let Bhadra to even come nearby. So this is the first time Bhadra is here in the farm, and Mother Tulasi is getting ready for bringing a next great soul for us in VSK. Both of them are Gir cows. So we have Gir bull and the Gir cow there. So it's a private affair. We're not going to see it. Let's wish them all the best, and let's wish that we get a very beautiful cow or a bull as a blessing of Krishna. As you can see, all of them have gone for pasturing. You can see there. So what they do is they tie them in a circumference of like 20-30 meters, so they can go around and eat what they wish to eat. This is the best way to bring the cows, bring up the cows. Normally many people tie them in the goshalas and give them feed, but these are wild plants which are cows eat, and naturally the milk that comes from these cows and the urine that comes from these cows is very, very medicinal. Right? Very medicinal. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. And here are our bulls and calves. They also are not tied throughout the day. They have their own space. They like to have fun too. Actually, the problem is this water. Sun has come out, so hopefully this whole thing will dry. It being black soil land, it will dry soon. Otherwise, what happens is if they walk in this water, between their I'll not say fingernails, but between their nails of their legs, they get bruises. They get infections if they walk in this water for too long. So that is why, see how they are protecting themselves. They don't want to be in this, so they find the dry part and they go and play there. I think if the sun stays like this for another few hours, by afternoon most of it will be okay for them to run around and play. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So there is an ashram waiting for devotees to come and do satsangs. Without devotees, Vaishnava Seva Kunj is just a kunj, no Vaishnavas. So I request all of you to come and please spend time here, chant Hare Krishna, serve the cows, get ready to go back home, back to Godhead. Get ready to meet Krishna and play with Krishna. Play with the cows, play with the calves. I remain eternally grateful for all the amazingly merciful families who are not only giving their money, support individually for their adopted cows, but also supporting in the form of prayers, and many others who on their festival days, on their anniversaries, on their birthdays, try to remember the cows and do something for them. We need a lot of support in this age of Kali Yuga to take care of these cows, and I hope every one single devotee in this group or whoever is hearing it opens his own farm. Yes, it's not about one place, one person or few people doing it. We all have to do our part. We have a flat, why not a farm? A farm, one acre of land, and nice cows, and Krishna will be very pleased. Mother Earth will be very pleased. Right? Hare Krishna. I am so grateful. Thank you.